What's up, guys? Today it's day 7 of working on the wiring harness. Hopefully you liked the last video. I made it a lot shorter, but I still left in a good amount of information on what connectors I was working on. So if you like that, cool. Yeah, so not really too much to update on. I think I had like 8 or 9 connectors left to do, so I'm gonna keep going at it. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna work on this this 6-plug one. Get this one out of the way. So it should be pretty easy. All these wires are bundled together, so I'm just gonna trace them all back and hopefully do them all at once. All right, these 2 red ones, a red and a black, and then a red and a green, lead to this white connector. I'm gonna finish tracing back the other wires, but I'm gonna mark the ones that I need so I can run all of them together. Found the 2 green wires, they also go to this white connector. And if I were to assume this white and black wire is also the same, but we can't assume when it comes to wiring. So we gotta trace it back. And looky there. Yep, I was right. Alright, so I ran out of red and black, so I'm going to substitute it for this close to red. It's like this purple, but whatever. Alright guys, I got this side of the connector done. Everything's wired in. Good to go. Alright guys, this plug is finished. Everything's all new. Got the new seal in there for that blank spot. Everything turned out pretty well. Same with over here on the white one. Looks really good. All right, I'm gonna do this next 4 plug. This one shouldn't be too bad. All right, these 4 wires, this teal with the brown on it, this teal with the black, this blue and the white, and the blue and the black go to this gray plug. All right, I got my wires all routed. I changed the color. I found the a light blue that I had, which I guess I ordered for this. So I got the wires ran through, got them all routed around to where this comes off, and yeah, time to splice some stuff, connect some stuff, and connect more stuff. All right, so one thing I'm gonna do, I realized that this is just a solid color. I'm gonna signify one of these as green and black by putting some black heat shrink on it on both sides. I didn't even think about that before I did it. So let me do that real quick. All right, guys, I got this side done. Now I just need to come over here and do the connector. All right, I just got this connector done. All good to go. So I'm gonna do one more connector before I gotta call it a night. I'm gonna do this one, this small little one. All right, black and yellow leads to this big square one, and then that brown one, which splits off into a few different brown ones, leads to this smaller square one. All right, so since I'm out of brown, I'm gonna use some orange. There we go. Just got that all done, all routed. Got it spliced and plugged into here. Got this wire spliced. I also got the other 2 wires. I got one routed over here. I didn't connect it yet. And then I got one routed down here to my mass airflow sensor, or right here, because it splits off into this. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night there. I got about 3 connectors done, and then I got a couple of wires routed to a couple other connectors. I'm gonna finish those the next day I work on it. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. I should be almost done with this wiring harness. Yeah, anyways, take it easy.